Bonjour, this is Thomas from Prog Rogue, this time using my educational language, which is not Hungarian, mais français, que je parle très bien, merci beaucoup. So first of all, very sorry I missed last week. I was busy mourning the sad departure of David Cousins of the Strawbs, who has gone to heaven. And his album Hero and Heroine, which remains still today my absolute favorite album of all time. So in the meantime, I had the occasion to collect a vast amount of incoming material that I will be hopefully reviewing very soon. Starting off with Tangerine Dream, I think it's my 50th album from this group. These are from Virgin to Quantum Years, 3 CD set, all of it live, absolument très intéressant. Another big one is Steve Hackett, Lamb Lies Down on Broadway, version new style as it stands up in the Royal Albert Hall. Very interesting in listening to this as well. Riff Stone, collaboration between Colin Powell of Multitude of One and David Allen of Spirargy, recounting the history of Richard III, a very controversial French king, actually an English king, but could have been of French background because he was a Plantagenet. I will be reviewing that very soon. Then we have interesting band from England once again called Quantum Silence. The album is Timelines. My friend Tim Pepper is on lead vocals. He is of course with the group The Id, which I happen to enjoy very much. Also from England we have a Random Option or a Random Option. The album is called One. More about this when I finally get to listen to it. We then move on to Brazil, which is Ultra Nova, O Eremita, a bit in the style of Focus, instrumental progressive rock. We have from India, of all places, Maki R, A Call for Fantasy. It's a short little album, very interesting young man of 20 years only. So we will be doing a review of this. We then move on to Norway with Avkrost, more in the heavy side, Norwegian of course, so it's going to be very exploratory and experimental. Same for the Sycophants new Red Sun EP, shorter album, continuing the great tradition of the first Sycophant album, which was amazing. And then we finish with Italy, of course. We have Doracor, Corrado Sardella has been around for a long time. After 10 years or 15 years, he decided to come back with a new album. So we are looking forward to reviewing this as well. Et pour terminer, and to finish off, Elesmer, live. I love the music from this amazing Roberto Vitelli, bass player, always surrounding himself with excellent musicians. In this case, the legendary David Jackson of Van der Graaf Generator. And there we are, once again, another presentation for you, and hopefully I will be back next week in order to show you what else is coming into the Prog Rogue empire. Merci beaucoup. Have a great day and see you soon.